When laser welded blank coatings contain more than 1.2% aluminium, they can create a brittle ferrite structure that will weaken the weld. This is an issue for all types of laser welded blanks that use press hardening steels. The weld loses its quenchability when it contains more than 0.3% aluminium. This is an issue for laser welded blanks made from press hardenable martensitic steels, which contain manganese and boron, such as usable 1500 and usable 2000. It does not affect laser welded blanks that join usable and ductable 500 grades. When the aluminium is removed prior to welding, the crash behavior of hot stamped laser welded blanks is excellent. Aluminium pollution in laser welds can lead to dramatic crash performance. ArcelorMittal's patented partial ablation process is the safest way to remove aluminium from the weld. The process can be used to weld all types of press hardening steels. Let's see how ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks removes aluminium prior to welding. Usable and ductable are press hardening steels which contain high levels of boron and have an aluminium silicon coating. The soft top layer is mainly made of a combination of aluminium and silicon, while the harder and thinner intermetallic layer is made of aluminium and iron. To prevent aluminium pollution of the weld and ensure the long-term integrity of laser welded blanks, ArcelorMittal has developed a patented process known as partial ablation. ArcelorMittal's ablation process partially removes the aluminium silicon coating near the edge of the part. This prevents excessive aluminium in the weld. However, the intermetallic layer is preserved, guaranteeing corrosion protection. Aluminium coating is removed by passing two pulsed laser heads over the top and bottom edges of the blank prior to welding. Laser ablation was selected as the most robust and productive way to remove the first coating layer without damaging the intermetallic layer or steel substrate. Rectangle-shaped laser spots are used with high peak power and frequency. The process removes about 1 mm of the first coating from the top and bottom of the blank's edge. Laser beam size, power and pulse have been optimized to ensure the highest productivity and quality. When partial ablation is used prior to welding, the aluminium contained in the weld remains under 0.3%. Without partial ablation prior to welding, aluminium levels in the weld will be above 1.2%. Partial ablation is the only industrial process available today which can ensure the integrity of welded usable 1500 blanks. With the latest partial ablation technology developed by ArcelorMittal Tailored Blanks, known as Ablation 2.0, we can now ablate and weld blanks using filler wire in a single operation. The compact process reduces investment costs and simplifies inventory while allowing high productivity. The addition of filler wire increases weld thickness, improves quenchability and ductability, extends the process window above 0.3% aluminium, and ensures excellent laser welded blank quality. Laser welded blanks made from usable 2000 and ductable 1000 and produced using the Ablation 2.0 process have excellent crash performance.